Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Amazon account login alerts and device management easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your Amazon account login alerts and device management, start by signing in to your Amazon account. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and Lists section at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select your account. Scroll down to find the Security and Privacy section. Click on Login Alerts. Here, you will see the option to enable alerts for any suspicious login attempts. Switch the toggle to the on position to activate email notifications. You can also choose to receive alerts via text message by adding your mobile phone number. Next, go back to the Your Account page. Locate and click on Your Devices and Content. This section helps you manage all devices associated with your Amazon account. Under Manage Your Devices, you will see a list of devices currently logged into your account. Review this list carefully for any unfamiliar devices. If you spot any that you do not recognize, click on Deregister next to the device to remove it. To enhance your account security, return to the Security and Privacy section. Select Change Password to create a stronger password if needed. It is recommended to use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, enable two-step verification for an added layer of security. This feature requires you to enter a code sent to your mobile device during login. With these steps completed, you have successfully configured your Amazon account login alerts and device management settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.